So let's discuss how to find break even on BA2 plus calculator. So we have already studied measures of leverage in which this break even, no, we had to find out break even quantity of sales and everything. So how to do it on BA2 plus calculator? Let's see. So the most important point here is you want to find out break even point, or you want to find at which sales level you're going to have so much profit. And what are the inputs? Your inputs are fixed cost, variable cost per unit, quantity, price, profit. These are the inputs. Now let's see one question, and with this question we are going to see how you are going to do it on BA2 plus calculator. Assuming that selling price per unit is $20, variable cost per unit is $17, your fixed cost is given as $5,000. So the first question is, how do you find out break even quantity of sales? So if you see just above 6, you have something called break even. Now in order to activate this function, what we are going to do, we are going to press second 6. So the moment you're pressing second 6, it is asking for see fixed cost. How much is the fixed cost? Fixed cost is 5,000. So you have 5,000 as fixed cost. Enter. Then drop down variable cost. How much is your variable cost? 17. So 17, enter. Then again drop down. It is asking for price. So what is my selling price per unit? 20. So my selling price per unit is 20. 20, enter. Then again drop down. It is asking for profit. Okay, so we have to find out break even quantity of sales. Break even means profit will be equal to 0. So by default it is 0. Now again drop down. You have to find out break even quantity of sales. So at which quantity this is going to break even. This is what you need to calculate. So simply compute. How much is your answer? Answer is coming 1666.66 units. So at this level, you're going to break even. So this is your first question. Now your second question is quantity at which profit is $8,000. So we are going to use the same function. Now they are saying at which quantity your profit is going to be 8,000. So you just press 8,000 in profit, enter, and then now simply you compute quantity. This is coming 4,333 units. So at 4,333 units, your profit will be 8,000. Third question is price at which profit is $20,000, right? So again, what I'll do, profit 8,000, make it 20,000, enter, right? Quantity is given. So price at which profit is $20,000 and quantity is 2,000. Now in case of quantity, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2,000. And now I have to calculate price. So enter. This price I need to compute. See, the price is coming how much? 29.5. So all these questions can be easily solved on BA2 plus calculator.